The new Lambeth Civic Centre provides over 11,000 square meters of premium office workspace. Frenger's multi-service and ceiling integrated chill beams were selected to provide cooling, heating, lighting and fresh air in individual plug-and-play units. This helped to reduce the overall construction program while providing energy efficiency that allowed the building to achieve a BREEAM rating of Excellent. Along with Eurovent testing certification, all Frenger's products are tested within one of their BREEAM-calibrated microclimate test laboratories to validate indoor thermal comfort levels and product performance.